And I think number 3 is you do have to eat good carbs only.
Well, Doc, what does that mean?
We got to understand what the difference between complex and simple carbs. When I say carbs, everybody thinks Pop-Tarts, chips,
Pasta. Pasta.
pastas,
Bagels.
bagels, all the processed stuff. But when I'm talking about complex carbs, I'm talking about the starchy vegetables.
Yes.
Squashes, the
squash,
beans.
potatoes.
Yeah.
Sweet potatoes.
Those are good because now you get nutrient-dense foods versus highly caloric-dense foods with the simple carbs.
The other day I had a roasted sweet potato. It was so sweet.
It was almost too sweet.
It was almost too sweet. It was so good, though. It was-
Excellent for you.
Yes.
But that's an easy carb to swap out. You want dessert, instead of having a chocolate chip cookie, have the very, very, very sweet potato.
Sweet it was super, I kid you not. It was so sweet. It's like, this is not real.
I think number 4 is, man, join the revolution of cooking at home.
Yes. Put those fast food chains out of business.
100%. Because you get rid of all the simple carbs. Now you control your own carbs, and it's simple meals you can make, like smashed bean burritos, your vegetable medleys, rice, beans.
Yes. You can make your own, you could become very creative. And there are tons of recipes online, on social media. If you need to scroll social media, there's tons of recipes out there where you can make tons of well-balanced meals that are clean and healthy, and you know what's going into it.
Yeah, we'll share a couple of your favorite recipes down in the links below, so take a look at them.
Yeah, especially at the holidays too. There's so many options. You don't have to eat the traditional crappy food out there.
Now, get your family involved. That way they can learn how to cook good, healthy meals. Make it a family event.
Yes.
It's a fantastic way to go to stay healthy.
And it's also teaching them how to navigate in the kitchen and how to eat healthy and how to meal plan and how to budget.
Yeah, real life skills.
Yes.
Versus going to the
Fast food.
Taco Bell and ordering food. That's not a life skill.
That is not.
That's a death skill. Number 5 is eliminate the Taco Bells of the world, and that's eliminate the processed foods as much as possible.
Yes. Get it out your pantry, clean it out, get it out, throw it as far as you can away from you, or give it to your enemies.
And that's one of the things that you normally do when you work with people. You do like a pantry clean out consultations. Like, here's what I see here. That's what's bad. And it's mind-boggling how people do not realize what's in their pantry. And like you pointed out, it's like, oh, I didn't realize. We start reading labels, what have you.
Or they'll get defensive and say, well, I didn't buy that, and so-and-so bought that. Understood. Still get it out.
And that's where it's so powerful of learning a skill of like reading labels and seeing what's in the foods.
Yes. And if you can't pronounce it, don't buy it. Don't. And if the ingredients are long from the top of your head down to your kneecaps, don't buy it again. Don't buy it. Throw it out.
Yeah. And if all possible, you want to go more natural alternatives, but just because it says natural doesn't mean it is a natural alternative. So you got to be careful there.
Greenwashing.
Yeah, it's exactly what that is, greenwashing.
Yes.